Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate Squarespace with Shopify. So simply in order to do this you have to log into your Zapier account, and after that you have to log into your Squarespace and Shopify account. Now here you can see the create a Zap option. Just simply click here, and after that when you click here, so here you can see the new tab is appear. So simply just first of all type the Squarespace. So as you can see the Squarespace option is here, so simply just click here, and after that here just select the event like new form submission, and after that click on continue. So in the next, just what you need to do, you have to click here, and now here search for Shopify. So now as you can see Shopify is here, so simply just select it, and now also choose an event. Now after that just click on continue. So as you can see, this is very easy method to integrate Squarespace with Shopify.